In this video, you will learn how to buy Suno AI subscription. Visit Suno AI, either the web or application. Open Suno AI app on iOS or Android, or go to the Suno AI website. Sign in or create an account. Log in with an existing Suno account or register a new one to get started. Access subscription or pricing section. Tap on your profile or account menu, then select subscription or pricing to view all the different available plans. Choose a plan. Select the plan that fits your needs the best. The Pro plan starts at around $10 per month or $96 per year. The Premium plan starts around $30 per month or $288 per year. Enter payment details. Provide your payment information using a supporting method, such as a credit or debit card, PayPal or through the App Store if you're on mobile. Confirm and start your subscription. Confirm the selection and complete your purchase. Your plan will automatically renew unless you cancel it in the app or account store settings. Now you know how to buy Suno AI subscription. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.